Wanna know how to play Payload Mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to access and play Payload Mobile in PUBG. So let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you've done that, on the left side you can see this small map icon. So simply click on it. This is your map selection. So simply hit towards on ranked right here. So you cannot play it on ranked, unfortunately. So simply hit towards on ranked and select others. So here it contains various options like payload, sniper training, quick matches, or point war. So since we want payload, just simply select payload right here. And that's it. Once you're done, just simply select start and you will be enabled and accessed to play payload, just like that. Simple and easy. So make sure you have downloaded payload as well. So if you haven't, you can just simply watch our video on how to download maps as well. And that's it. Now I have entered the match and now you can play around with fighter jets, rockets and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.